Hey y'all, it's Sadasa back with another video, and I know y'all were not expecting to see me back with this video so quickly, but here we are. Okay, here we are. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. If you're not new here, welcome back, girl. Always happy to see you. So, update since the last time y'all saw me. So in my previous video, I was talking about how I ordered the purple mini pillow tabby from Saks, and they were saying it wasn't going to be delivered until July 15th. So shortly after I posted that video, one of my friends over on Instagram, she told me that they had the bag available at Nordstrom. So of course, I went to their website. And y'all, let me tell you about Nordstrom. I don't really like them. I don't really mess with them like that because they don't work with any of the cashback websites at all. Like, there were no coupons with honey or anything. And as I previously stated, I really enjoy saving money. Like, that's one of my favorite things to do, save money. So Nordstrom doesn't really allow me to do that. So I really didn't want to order from them, but I also really wanted this bag. So I went ahead and got it. But another reason I found out why I should not be ordering from them, do y'all know they ship my bag using USPS? Y'all, I don't mess with USPS. Just, you know, those are different stories, but I do not mess with USPS. They are not my friends, okay? FedEx, same thing. I prefer UPS because basically they never did me wrong. FedEx definitely has lost packages of mine, and USPS, they just don't be wanting to deliver stuff. Like, it'll be right beside your house and they'll be like, nah, we'll bring it tomorrow. And I'm not down with that, but I don't know. Which one do y'all prefer? Y'all let me know down below. But anyway, they sent it priority mail. This is the box. Let me make sure all my information is covered up. This is the box, unopened, as you can see. So I have my handy dandy zebra print scissors here that I am going to use to open this. So y'all, I hope that this bag, you know, isn't messed up or anything. So, I'm not showing my information. Okay, so this is how it comes. So what's inside? Let's see. Safe and easy, free returns. That's what this is. Okay. I will throw this box down here for my cats to play with. Okay. This is the bag. It comes in this plastic right here. So right off the bat, you can see it does not come in a Coach box or anything like that. So it just comes in the Coach dust bag. And can y'all see it peeking out? Oh, it's so cute. I haven't even opened it. I'm talking about how cute it is. But, okay. Let's do this together. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so soft. Like, I don't want to squeeze it because I don't want to mess it up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Y'all, I gotta look over bags first. Okay, hold on. Let's look at the little hang tag right here. This is so cute. So it does come with the tag attached here. It has the strap attached like this. So I am going to, let's open it up. It comes stuffed very well, so we will remove the stuffing. Y'all, that's one thing I will say about Coach. Usually I don't purchase Coach retail, but even Coach outlet, their things are always wrapped so well. Like, it takes you so long to undo everything. So it has the Coach Story patch at the back, slip pocket back here with just some cards with, I'm sure, care information and stuff like that. That's what this is. And then there is the front compartment. There you go. That's the inside. Oh, and also it has the blue sticker. Can y'all see that that's blue? Yeah, blue sticker, so you'll have to take that off. Ooh, I love how that magnet sounds. But let me, oh, I almost forgot. Let me go get my strap that I bought. I can already see it's not the same color, unfortunately. I bought a gunmetal strap off of Amazon, but this is definitely looking darker than what I bought. So that's fun, but yeah. 1 second, let me go grab that. Okay, so updates. Y'all know how I said it was lighter? It's barely lighter. Like, I don't even know if you can tell on camera that the chain strap is you can tell, yeah, it's a little bit lighter, but not noticeable. So we're actually good. We're good. So I got this chain off of Amazon. After the fact, not when I upload, but after the fact, I linked it in my other video, but I'll link it in this one also down below. So this is kind of the proportion of the chain strap I got to the bag. So top handle, and then, oh, I love this. do y'all love this as much as I love this? This silhouette right here, chain hanging, top handle, probably how I'm going to wear it, most likely. This is cute, y'all. Like, this is really cute. Look at that. This is so cute. Also, I'm gonna try one more thing, just because I'm extra. One more thing. Y'all, I cannot, like, I can't. How cute is this? So yeah, I just have this tuck. I think I would actually remove, y'all, I got a lot of stuff on here. Look at all this stuff I got going on right here. But so I have this pearl strap. It's silver, as you can see, so there is that color difference. But I mean, I think it works. I really do. I think it works. This is such a pretty, I do see why they call it vintage purple. It is definitely kind of that worn purple look, but this bag is so soft, y'all. If y'all haven't felt it in person, expect major softness, okay? Because that's what this is. So this is definitely kind of the vibes I would be going for with this, with the chain and the pearl straps, because I love to decorate my bags. And this is like, this is a look for me, y'all. Is this a look for y'all? Because this is a look, an entire look for me. And also, yeah, this has got to come off. Let me take this off. Okay, so before I take the strap off, I just want to show you guys really quick what it looks like. Crossbody, which I'm 5'9.5" for reference. So this is what it looks like on me and kind of where it hits, if this tells you anything. Arms out to the side. So yeah, I mean, it's super cute crossbody as well. Like, I'm not mad at it at all. Which, like I said, I'm not usually a crossbody person, but yeah, this is really cute, even crossbody. So yeah. Okay, so now I have removed the strap, and this is how she will be. Okay, this is how she will remain, because she is gorgeous and she is cute and she is stunning this way, and this is what I like. I mean, also cute, but you know, this is definitely going to be the top handle. I do still have this at the back. I don't know why, now that I think about it, I could have removed it. I mean, I'm not mad at this look either though, but this is definitely what is doing it for me. I think this is really, really cute. So now that we have all of that all the way about how I'm going to wear it, so let's see what will fit in her, because I actually have no clue. So I have a phone here, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I am going to try to put that in the back. And I think that's going to be a fail. Wait a minute. Okay, I squeezed it in the back. Keep in mind, this phone is slightly bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I have a case on it, but iPhone 11 Pro Max should fit in here a bit more comfortably. And then we'll do a mask, because, you know, I always need that. And I would definitely only carry one thing. I'm gonna say this key pouch. I'm not 100% sure what this is called anymore, y'all, but I'm gonna try to put it in here and see if it'll fit. So it's a little bit too tall to fit, maybe. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I just need to rearrange it and then it'll fit. That's highly likely. Okay, so yeah, that's all I needed to do was rearrange it, but that's it, y'all. Okay, this is a mini bag and she's not going to fit a lot. And I can definitely feel like I can feel that she has something in her now. But before I felt like, you know, she was kind of light as a feather. She's so fluffy, but I can definitely feel that something is in her now. So literally, just for reference, this is what it looks like on the inside. One phone, now this has a lot of cards in it. So you could fit like a Louis Vuitton key case, which I usually have, but I have no clue where it's at right now. Also, alternatively, because I actually do not need this many cards and something else in here. This is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Eclipse foliage. So yeah, super cute. Love this piece. And it's thinner and it holds, let me see if I have any cards in here. See, I actually do not have any cards in here right now, but yeah, it'll hold, you know, enough cards for the day. So I would actually slip that in there. And that, you know, it's not as stuffed as you can see. You could fit like another little small itty bitty little thing in there. I might do a little hand sanitizer on the side. Okay, see, I put the little hand sanitizer in here and this is what she's looking like. And from the side, you can see the little hand sanitizer kind of poking up here on the side, but it won't fall out. But yeah, that's what she looks like. And inside view. So yeah, y'all, I'm so glad that I got this bag today and I didn't have to wait on Saks, because yeah, that would have been a real bummer. But I know that Nordstrom is now sold out of the purple, and so I believe the only place to get it is once again Saks for pre-order. So I don't know if any of you find, you know, it's somewhere else. Leave it in the comments down below for other people. I'm sure they will appreciate that very much. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say about this bag, y'all, besides it's really gorgeous. And I'm super excited to carry it. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram, because I'm definitely going to be having some styling pics with this bag that I'm not gonna do over here. So like I said, follow me over on Instagram, same name, HP Life and Style, all of that, okay? And I mean, get your life with this bag, okay? Just get your life, because I mean, it's gorgeous. And I think the accessories, like, they set it off. They really do. So gorgeous, stunning, all of that. I know some people said that, oh, also check in store, y'all. Some people said they've been able to get it at Dillard's, at their local Dillard's. So just check in the stores. I would say check in the stores before pre-ordering from Saks, okay? Because we definitely want you to get your bag before the month of July, okay? So check in store and see what you can find, you know, just try it out. Me, I'm not really a store person because like I told y'all before, I'm still really not going anywhere because I just don't. So, but yeah, this is so pretty. I know some people are hoping that they come out with this and this color in the bigger version, but y'all know me, I'm a mini bag person. But yeah, also this strap definitely, like I said, I'll leave this down below. Even though it's not the exact same color, you honestly can't really tell. Now you can tell with this, but you know what? I don't care. Okay, this is gonna stay on here because I know she doesn't make these in a gunmetal color, unfortunately, but yeah. Okay, y'all, I almost forgot, but I did want to do a comparison really quickly with the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, which I feel like is a fairly common item. So actually, this is not that much bigger. It's a little bit wider than the mini pochette. Obviously, you know, it's a lot fluffier, but honestly, they're about the same size. So just to kind of give you that size comparison. And also I do have the case, I'm filming on my phone, but I do have the case to my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yeah, it will fit in here as well. But yeah, if I didn't go over something you had a question about, just leave it down below. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video.